front wheel drive, 85-ish. Lincoln two-door, town coupe, I guess they call that. That's a nice car, all uncovered. Excuse me. And let's see. I think there's the next one over may be the other four-door Lincoln Continental. That one there is, that one's a Cadillac, a silver Cadillac. Yeah, that used to be mine. Used to trade. Now, here's the other Tornado. Pretty nice car. But I got this 60 Oldsmobile, two-door hardtop. Straight car. Here's the Lincoln covered up.
Lincoln under there. What model year is that?
That's going to be that 61 to 64 suicide door car.
Okay.
I think it's the same color as the one out there, but it's, you know, these are nicer vehicles. Got some parts in here. These are same motor and trannies and so forth. We come back once it gets cold and the snakes go away. We'll open it and walk around.
Okay.
There's a, if you haven't sold it, there's a, used to be a Jeep back there. I don't see it now. On that back row, he may have sold it or moved it. It's an extended cab ambulance, but a Jeep, like in Korean War.
Okay.
And we can
Another
walk
military vehicle.
Got a series of trailers. Somebody in need of trailers or pickup beds.
Yeah, trailers are always handy.
People that restore these things, they need good beds for their pickups and all. I think most of these are all short beds.
These are all converted to trailers.
It's easy to do. Here's a 55 bitty right there. And then we jump up later model Chevys. These are all short beds. A little damage on some, but not a bucket of rust. Let's see what this one is. Another Chevy. Yep. Here's a Dodge. Sharp bed. Ooh, looks really sharp.
If this one had a cow in it.
Sure did. You need some souvenirs for your garden?
He couldn't get out. Is that the Jeep you're talking about?
Yeah.
There's that Jeep.
Yeah, I believe it is. Somebody's
The blue one?
Yeah, it's extended cab.
Okay.
Right, you put it out here.
Must have needed some room.
This gate's open.
Go this way.
Yeah, we want to do that. Somebody's practicing with a shotgun. This is Dodge. It's a good shape, isn't it? You even got a tailgate there. It's kind of rusty tailgate. Somebody likes that. That was a short bed. I think I'm the last one that left this open. I closed it. Watch out for the,
Get you.
yeah, most of these are blackberry bushes.
That's what I was thinking. That look like blackberries.
You might see the extended link here.
Yeah.
They put a different top on it, but it's probably a pretty rare vehicle. Round fender. All on a tag. Now what you have here is two command cars, parts. Somebody really ambitious could bring something back here. There's another one over here. Here's one of the first carryalls who built off of the mountainside.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. WW2 Suburban, huh?
Yeah.
How about a two-door Suburban? And then another WW2 Jeep, which little Willie. Somebody likes those. They can be actually not that much rust on it, is there?
Yeah, that looks like that one.
Like it's
Be-
got a chance yet.
Get it back to going pretty easily.
I'm gonna take a walk out here. There's something I always remember. There's a big old 5-gallon milk jug out here. I keep forgetting to take home. There used of this. Little farm chicken.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, won't you sell me that, sell that triple axle
That
equestrian,
That orange thing?
no, the one further out. Triple axle horse trailer.
Okay.
Round top, round
Okay,
nose,
got
got a
it. I
tag
see it.
shop built in it.
Yeah.
Like 1,500.
Okay.
Pull it out, please. There's your milk. All kinds of plows and scoops, and this might have been one of the